this is breadcrumbs, dried, some egg to
teacher salaries and kids.
Money into this campaign, starting with 30 million. Right 30 million, and right off the top. They say it's the biggest spend in any week in any campaign in American history, including the general election. Oh wow, really? Yeah. Wow. In a meaningless, nowhere week on Thanksgiving, and there's no way. I mean, what the ego it must take to believe you can win this thing when everyone knows you don't have a shot. There's no chance he wins. His chance is, it's got to be less than 1%. There's no way people are clamoring for a Michael Bloomberg presidency. I don't think most of the Bloomberg family is clamoring for that. No, I don't think they are. And you know, he's going to try essentially a variation of the Giuliani approach, which is skip all the early states. Is he still going to do that? Because I read an article where he was all in now. Oh, he is?